In the heart of Madagascar, a land teeming with natural wonders and breathtaking biodiversity, a creature lurks in the shadows, shrouded in mystery and enchantment. This is the Ai. With its large luminous eyes and spindle fingers, the Ai is a creature of otherworldly beauty and peculiarity. It is a master of the night venturing out under the cover of darkness to explore the dense rainforests that make up its home. The Ai possesses adaptations that set it apart from its lemur relatives, such as its elongated middle finger, which it uses to tap on tree trunks and detect hidden insect larvae. A delectable feast that sustains its unique existence. But the allure of the Ai extends far beyond its physical features, deeply ingrained in local folklore and culture. This enigmatic lemur holds a special place in the hearts and minds of the Malagasy people. Revered by some as the bringer of luck, and cursed by others as the harbinger of death, the Ai embodies the intertwining of nature and belief in this mystical land. Classification and evolution. The Ai resides in the rainforests of Madagascar. It stands out not only as the largest nocturnal primate in the world, but also for its unparalleled uniqueness. Initially, the Ai's appearance perplexed early explorers, leading them to mistake it for a large squirrel. However, further examination revealed distinct characteristics that set it apart. The Ai boasts ever-growing incisors akin to those of rodents. These robust teeth, coupled with a specialized skull and jaw structure, minimize its bite force, enabling the animal to penetrate tree bark and access its preferred food source, insects. The rodent-like shape of its head further enhances its bite power, showcasing the incredible adaptations that have evolved to suit its ecological niche. The Ai's classification has puzzled scientists for centuries. In the mid-1800s, it was acknowledged as a species of lemur, yet it was placed in its distinctive group due to the ongoing mystery surrounding its closest lemur relatives. Even today, the precise lineage and genetic connections of the Ai within the lemur family tree remain a subject of scientific investigation and debate. Unfortunately, these intriguing creatures face severe threats across their natural habitat, rendering them one of Madagascar's most endangered animal species. As early as 1980, the Ai was believed to be on the verge of extinction. The historical distribution of the Ai encompassed the coastal forests of eastern and northwestern Madagascar. However, by 1983, their numbers had declined drastically, with only a few scattered individuals remaining in these areas. The Ai was on the brink of extinction in its native habitats. Since then, there has been a slight resurgence in population numbers, although they are still not at desirable levels. Ai's are now found in an increasing number of locations occupying various forest habitats across Madagascar. Their preference lies within dense tropical and coastal rainforests. These habitats provide the necessary resources and conditions for the Ai's survival. In addition to primary rainforests, Ai's have also been observed in secondary forests, bamboo thickets, mangroves, and even coconut groves along the eastern coast of Madagascar. The Ai's mysterious world. One of the most remarkable features of the Ai is its elongated fingers, particularly the third digit. This elongated finger, resembling a skeletal appendage, sets the Ai apart from other lemurs and is perfectly adapted for its unique foraging technique. Researchers have observed that the Ai taps on tree trunks with its slender finger, listening for the hollow sound that signifies the presence of insect larvae. Once detected, the Ai gnaws through the bark with its sharpened scissors and extends its remarkable finger to extract the hidden delicacy. This highly specialized feeding behavior is unparalleled among primates and showcases the evolutionary ingenuity of the Ai. Under the cover of darkness, the Ai emerges from its nest to navigate the intricate web of branches and foliage. Equipped with large luminous eyes adapted for low-light conditions, the Ai possesses exceptional visual acuity that aids in nightly escapades. Its keen sense of hearing further enhances its ability to locate prey and navigate the densely forested landscape. The Ai's nocturnal habitats reflect its specialization for a niche within the ecosystem, carving a unique path in the realm of primates. Beyond its physical attributes, the Ai holds significant cultural significance in Madagascar. The Malagasy people have long regarded the Ai with a mixture of fear, awe, and reverence. The folklore surrounding the Ai depicts it as a harbinger of death, associating its presence with ill fortune and misfortune. Some locals believe that encountering an Ai is a sign of impending doom, leading to superstitions and rituals designed to ward off its perceived negative influence. These beliefs are deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of Malagasy society, underscoring the profound impact the eye has on the local imagination. Scientific studies have dwelled into the intricate world of the eye, shedding light on its unique features and cultural significance. One notable study conducted by Dr. Julie Razafimanahaka focused on the conservation implications of the eye's cultural significance. The research examined the role of traditional taboos and beliefs in protecting eyes and their habitats. It found that local communities, guided by their cultural reverence for the eye, demonstrated an increased willingness to engage in conservation efforts. The study highlights the intersection between cultural beliefs, biodiversity conservation, and community involvement. In terms of population numbers, the eye faces alarming threats, according to the latest data from the IUCN Red List. The estimated eye's population ranges between 1,000 and 10,000 individuals, with a declining trend. Habitat loss due to deforestation and fragmentation, coupled with illegal hunting driven by cultural beliefs, has significantly impacted their numbers. Reproduction and the search for food. Previously, it was believed that the eye followed a strict breeding season, similar to other lemur species. However, recent studies have revealed that eyes have a more flexible reproductive pattern, breeding throughout the year depending on the female's reproductive cycle. When a female eye is ready to mate, she emits calls that attract male lemurs to gather around her. These males engage in aggressive fights to establish breeding rights with the female. Following a successful mating, the female eye undergoes a gestation period lasting approximately 5 months. After this period, she gives birth to a single infant. The newborn eye is highly dependent on its mother and spends its first 2 months in the safety of the nest, where it is nurtured and protected. The young eye is not weaned until it reaches at least 7 months of age, relying on its mother's milk for sustenance and growth. The mother-infant bond is strong, and the young eye remains with its mother for about 2 years. During this time, it learns essential skills for survival, including foraging techniques and social interactions. At around 2 years of age, the young eye will venture out on its own to establish its territory. A female eye typically reaches sexual maturity between 3 and 3.5 years of age, at which point she can start reproducing. In contrast, males appear to mature earlier and are capable of reproducing at least 6 months earlier than females. One example of a study conducted on eye reproduction was conducted by Dr. Marnie Lefleur. The study focused on understanding the hormonal changes and physiological processes associated with the eye's reproductive cycle. By monitoring hormone levels and observing breeding behaviors, researchers were able to gain insights into the breeding patterns and reproductive physiology of eyes. This study contributed to our understanding of the reproductive biology of these enigmatic primates and shed light on their unique breeding strategies. The eye exhibits an omnivorous diet, consuming a diverse range of animal and plant-based food sources. This unique lemur species navigates its forested habitat primarily at night, foraging for sustenance among the treetops. Males in particular showcase impressive nightly excursions, covering distances of up to 4 kilometers in their relentless search for food. Eyes possess a varied diet that includes fruits, seeds, insects, and nectar. Their foraging behavior is not limited to traditional methods. They employ a remarkable adaptation for hunting. With their elongated middle finger, eyes tap on dead wood, using their highly sensitive bat-like ears to listen for the faintest sounds. This tapping allows them to detect the presence of hollow tunnels created by wood-boring grubs hidden within the wood. Once an eye detects its prey, it employs a specialized feeding technique. Using its sharp front teeth, the eye gnaws a hole into the wood, creating an access point. It then inserts its long middle finger, equipped with a hooked claw, to extract the wood-boring grub, a behavior analogous to the ecological niche of woodpeckers. This remarkable adaptation demonstrates the eye's extraordinary evolutionary path, enabling it to exploit a food source that may otherwise go unnoticed. In addition to grubs, eyes have been observed using their elongated finger to access other food sources. They are known to consume eggs and extract the flesh of coconuts, further highlighting their versatility and resourcefulness as foragers. The eye, despite its unique adaptations and intriguing behaviors, faces a range of threats in its environment. However, the most significant threats to the eye's survival stems from human activities and habitat loss. In the wild, young and vulnerable aye-ayes may fall victim to predation by various predators, including birds of prey such as the Madagascar harrier hawk and the Madagascar buzzard. Arboreal snakes such as the Madagascar tree boa are also potential predators of aye-aye infants. Protecting the aye-aye requires preserving the forest they call home, establishing protected areas, and promoting sustainable land use practices. By safeguarding Madagascar's rich biodiversity, we not only ensure the survival of the aye-aye, but also protect countless other species that rely on these ecosystems for their existence.